Hello there, and welcome to another edition of Case or No Case here on Fox Focus. I'm Andrea Williams, and this is where we test just how well you know the law. And here to administer that test is attorney Jeff Pitman from PKSD Law Firm. Hey, Jeff.
Hi, how are you doing?
I'm doing very well, thank you.
Good. I need those nails to kind of help us showcase the tote bag here.
All right.
Okay.
Great bag there.
Yes, come to the Facebook page or the website, get your bag.
All righty, let's get to it.
Okay, so probably heard about the scenario or maybe experienced something close to it, but you're in a parking lot, right? You back up, you don't see the car coming down the aisle, you end up backing into that car.
Okay.
Your fault, your mistake. You get out of your car, you're about to apologize, but this person's having issues. And they are angry, and they decide that they are going to go forward and then back up and smash into your car. A little bit of parking lot rage.
Wow.
Okay? You've seen this before on the news, right? I mean, it's crazy. So he does that, and you aren't quite out of your car. You get hit by your car door, you get injured. Case or no case against that driver's insurance company?
I'm guessing there's a case. How scary.
No case. It's an intentional act and not covered by insurance.
Wow, who knew? Well, thank you for that great information as always. And if you ever have any questions, just dial the 333-3333 for the PKSD guarantee. And you can always go to the website at pksd.com. We'll see you here next time.